Here I am in Strathmore, Alberta, and the homeowner called me because she does not like the stagger here. They're too close. So I just brought some material with me, figured out the color, and I'm going to change it so that they're just continuous pieces there, so that when she walks by her pretty little flowers, she doesn't see these things at eye level. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. A little bit of a service work, so not everything is leaks. There you go. So moved all the split pieces and I put in full length pieces. Looks really nice.